Okay, final market I want to review today is the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen, which has two targets above 75.80 and 76.80. This is a repeat of an idea that I had 2 weeks ago as well as last week, and I'm trading this like others, and actually the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen here. This market is the main idea for this trade is support from smart money, and obviously smart money two-way driving the game here. If you believe that moving averages drive the game, no, they only act as resistance in this market. So what drives the game is the analysis of price structure that we perform on all time frame. In this specific case, on the weekly, it's pretty simple. There's a 50% retrace. It's not that simple. It's not always that simple, that straightforward. That's why you need to know how to perform the full price structure analysis on all time frames, how to perform price discovery, how to apply the trading system to get a clean and valid setup, which is also a high probability setup. In this specific case, the dump bear money here is not responding to this price any longer. What is pushing this price higher is smart money here, represented by this 50% retrace, and the smart money has also been supporting this price on the daily time frame, and this price has the potential to move all the way, as we mentioned in the past, into 76.80, 76.70. And on the daily time frame, we saw early this week a participation at 50% retrace, which is this area here. The market hovered around this area and then kept pushing, guys. As soon as this money is going to break this 74.90, we could see a continue to move higher here. So there are two targets then in this market, and it's interestingly enough, these targets correspond with the activity of dump money as well. Dump money short is not going to put any, it's not going to get against this market in this area from current price to 76.70, sorry, to 76.80. And so only smart money is driving this price, and this price is driven higher by the weekly participation as well as the daily participation. First target is the one I mentioned before, 75.80. Second target is 76.70. Okay, so it's a good opportunity for next week if you want to follow up. I'm already in this trade since 2 weeks ago, and that's where we want to see this price going to. Okay, so this is it for the New Zealand Japanese yen for today, October the 10th, 2016. And as usual, we're going to review these trades next week or in 2 weeks' time and show you how you can actually profit from this analysis.